I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10x for the kids. Come on. 10x for the kids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my and my brother's channel and the one and only 10x for the kids channel. So today's video is gonna be an amazing video. So in this video, I'm gonna play the piano because as you can see, I've just placed it right here, and I'm gonna play Bella Ciao. Okay, so there will be 2 rounds. The first round, I will play the normal tune of the piano, and in the second round, I will play a guitar tune. Now, why am I in the second round? Why have I thought to play in the guitar tune is because me and my brother were making a mashup because he learned this song on the guitar and I have learned it on the piano. So we made a mashup and we learned it all together and we made a mashup. So I will be uploading that video also soon. But yeah, so that is why I'm in the second round. I'm gonna play the guitar tune. Okay, so first I'll play just the normal key, and tell me if you can hear. I think so you can hear. Very good. So now let's get started. And a 3, and a 2, and a 1. Let's begin. But I played it in the normal tune of the piano. So that was really fun. I was just memorizing with the tune because this is one of the favorite tunes of mine. So now I'll do my tune on 43 and I'll do the transpose to -7. Okay, it's already to -7. So are we ready? Let's get started. on. And guys, this is my 100th video. I have posted 100 videos including this. Oh yeah. Thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel, my brother's channel, and channel for the kids channel. Bye guys.